Hi, Jez here from nigezza.blogspot.com, and I'm here today with a project out of the new catalogue and using one of the Sal-A-Bration freebies. So we're going to make this card here, and the paper is one of the Sal-A-Bration items, and the dies and stamps are one of the new sets. So the stamp set is called Bubble Over, and it comes with some coordinating framelets there, and this is called Bottles and Bubbles framelets, and they are available in a bundle where you save 10%. I think that's about £36. So if you then added some cardstock and maybe a bit of glue, you'd then make it up to £45, where you can then get the DSP pack. And this is the DSP pack that you get. So 12 sheets, 12 by 12, double-sided, and you get a plain. So here's the bottles, and these are the bottles that I've cut out. So it's a big bottle and a little bottle, and they coordinate with the dies, and then nice bubbles on the back. Lovely bright colours. That's the row of bottles that I've cut out for the card. These are your bubbles that are, some are burst, some are not. I just love the colours in this set. And then you've got something that could be used, for a Valentine's card. There you've got some bottle lids, and again we've got the dies that cut them out. And the other side is this lovely stripe, Bermuda Bay. Love Bermuda Bay. And then you've got this lemon lime twist side, and then the other side is this Calypso Coral side, although it looks a bit more ready, but it is Calypso Coral. And then there's this gorgeous stripe, which has got the stars on the back. So that's the papers. You get two sheets of each, and you can see this is where I've cut out to make the cards. Okay, so I'll get on and show you how I did this card. So I'm going to change the colours a bit. So for this one, I'm using Bermuda Bay as the card blanks. This is the usual piece of A4, cut in half, scored in half. I've cut two mats, one for the inside of the card, one for the outside of the card, which I'm going to stamp on. I've then cut a strip of the bottles that's going to go across there, and then that's going to be matted on a bit of lemon lime twist, which is 1 3/8 by 5 5/8, but don't worry about the measurements, they will all be over on my blog, which will be linked down below. And then for this one I've chosen these two bottles just to show the differences in the colours. So we're going to do a bit of stamping for this. So I absolutely love this bubble. So it's this little stamp here, which I'm just going to mount on a block, and then I'm just going to stamp all over as a background in lemon lime twist. You could of course use, there was a piece of DSP that's lemon lime twist, so you could use that instead, but I like stamping. We are. So I'm just going to stamp randomly. And I kind of went in formation there. I will twist it a bit now. Lemon lime twist didn't grab me when I first got it, but now as I use it, I quite like it. Don't matter if you've overlap here, that will do. We want the bottom to be clear, because we're going to stamp the sentiment on the bottom. Yeah, glue will be big enough for that. I can't find my longer block that I would normally use for the sentiment. And I'm just going to line that up at the bottom there. readjust it, it's not quite straight. There we go. So that's my stamping. So now I'm going to do a bit of die cutting. So I've got my 2 bottles that I want to cut out, and we have 2 different size bottles in the dies. So that fits over nicely. That one, and that one fits over that one. We've also got some little bottle lids as well, so you could, if you wanted to, cut those out of some foil paper to do that. Right, so I'm going to cut those out and come back to you. There we are. So I've cut those bottles out now, and we're ready to start assembling the card. So I'm going to stick this strip onto the lemon line twist, and I'm using fast fuse for quickness. I only ever do that when I'm on camera. So I've cut this so it's got a little border all the way around, like so. Stick this. See, I stamped a bit wrong there. I think lemon line twist and Beauty Bay make a lovely partnership. Okay. So I'm going to stick these down in future. It is driving me mad. And then that's going to go the right way up, and then that is the same width. I changed it a little bit to the other one and decided to make it the same width as the Whisper White mat. That one went over a bit, but this one I decided it would look neater that way. And then I'm gonna pick it up, and then these are gonna get stuck down. What I did was I stuck the top one to the bottom one, and then I popped them up on dimensionals. So I just layered it over there a little bit. And then just with a couple of dimensionals, which I shall have to go and get, I'm just going to pop it up. And then they're just gonna stick on there, and then that's that. And then just for the inside of the card, I'm just going to do a bit more bubble stamping, just to add a little bit of interest to the inside. Just frame it. and then just stick that on the inside, ready to write. And that lovely masculine card. As a female beer drinker myself, I'd love one of these, but they also do your man. All right, so all details as ever over on my blog, nigezza.blogspot.com, and I'll see you again with another project with the new items from the new catalogue. Okay, bye.